Hi YouTube, Coinpicker here. Thought I'd make a quick video about fake Chinese coins and how you distinguish them from the real thing. Now this is a set of brass Ching Dynasty cash coins, and this design has basically been used for the last 2,000 years or more in China and Asia. Now the Qing Dynasty was the last dynasty of China from 1644 to 1911. Now I'll just go through all the emperors. The first emperor, Sun Shi, Kangxi, Leung, Leung, Ching, Tao Kuang, Xian Feng, Teng Qi, Guangxu, and finally the last emperor, Xuan Tong. Now, a lot of you guys don't really want to collect Chinese coins because you're afraid of all those fakes flooding the market from China. Now, if you notice, all these coins have a nice, rich, dark patina. But when you compare it to the fakes, here's a fake coin of the Sun Qi, first emperor of the Qing Dynasty. Now this is a typical fake that you'll find on the market today. You see, they try to rub some sort of soot or wax to make it look dark, but it's just, the detail's not there, and it looks like it's been like sandblasted. But these coins, when they were manufactured, they were cast in sand molds with molten brass poured into them, and then they were broken off the brass, metal sprue and filed down on the surface and the edges. Now here you don't see any sort of remnants of those file lines. Now the file marks would look like scratches on the surface of the coin in one direction. Now another fake, which is a little bit better, is from the Tao Kuang emperor. But you see a lot of bright metal on the surface, and this coin supposedly is almost 200 years old. Now I'll just show you the back side. Just very inconsistent surface. Now another fake. Usually this type of fake, it's more like a reproduction for wall hangings or lucky charms. But this is supposed to be the second to last emperor, Guangxu, and it's made of some sort of injected mold base metal. Now these were sand casted, but this looks like it's some sort of modern day manufacture. Not even a trace of dirt or sand, which sand was used in the manufacturing process. Now, during this time, this emperor did import modern coin making technology from England, modern coin presses. So it's not to be confused with this coin, which was made with a coin press. This is from the Guangdong province, southern China, province close to Hong Kong. However, the difference is, because it was actually pressed out of metal, there's actually cartwheels, just like what you do with a Morgan dollar. Let me see if I could do this better. Now this no matter what you do, it's just a very flat, matte surface. The shine or reflection you're seeing is from the plastic from the holder, but trust me, there's absolutely no cartwheel on this. And even this coin, which was milled, has toning. And lastly, the last emperor, Sun Tong. This is another copy you usually find in similar sets, but the modern sets have these reproduction coins. Now the difference with this, it's so poorly manufactured that you could actually break these coins with your fingers. Now, Coinpicker Junior, please come over here to assist me. Just please hold this camera steady. Steady. Now, with the actual coin, you wouldn't be able to do this. Actually, it's stronger than I. Alright, well, it's actually bent. I could probably show you better on this one. Alright, now on the real coin I would not be able to do this because it is so cheaply made. And finally, here's the typical large Chinese charm or amulet that you might find on the street market. Now the real one would not have this type of material on it. It's like some sort of yellow powder, and the surface is not that rough. I mean, the real ones would have a pitted sandy surface, and sort of natural sand sort of stuck in the crevices. This is some sort of modern day reproduction, and they always have these very rough, coarse filing on the edges. Now I hope you guys learned something from my video, and don't hesitate to purchase ancient Chinese coins as long as you can separate the trash from the treasure. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Coinpicker out.